We're going for a world record, and obviously the venue, which is the Olympic Stadium from 1988, when the Olympics were held in South Korea, is a great venue for a world record. So we're hoping by the end of today we have built a tower which is just around 32 meters, which should be enough to create the world record.
Last record was set in France last year. The height was 31.60 meters. So I hope we'll go over that. In the tower there is going about 450 to 500,000 bricks.
So I think our dream is that we could say that we would like to bring fun and happiness into the child's life. Because if it's not fun, then a toy is not used. A mother gives a child a toy because she wants the child to be happy. And we can combine that. It's very good for the mental and physical development of the child.
Yes, today we have a big celebration going on. It's the LEGO 80th anniversary LEGO company, and it coincides together with the opening yesterday of the Expo Danish Pavilion in Jorsø, where LEGO is also a sponsor.
For us it's a great thing to have the Crown Prince here. We feel extremely honored by having him here. I mean, it creates a big event here in Korea, but as a Dane, I feel very, very honored that we can have the Crown Prince come here and put the last brick on the tower.
31.90 meters. 31 meters and 90 centimeters.
When you have built 5 days, you feel a little bit, now it's finished and we can relax a little bit before tomorrow when we are taking down.